So we are walking down. Basically, it looks like more of a bike trail than anything. But it's so nice when you're out walking like this and you're not all feeling all muggy and sweaty and all that stuff. It's just a nice, cool walk through the woods. This is the time of year when me and Coop used to go on our 3, 4, 5 day hikes, and definitely miss that. Coop just can't handle them anymore. I think I'd be good for. Yeah, I think I could still do it. Yeah, but it wouldn't be like I used to. But I don't see the enjoyment of it without Coop. Oh, he's chasing something in the woods. Look, oh, there he goes. It was a chipmunk. You missed him, buddy. He went that way. This is a gorgeous spot. The water's running now. We got a couple days of rain. I'm gonna cross this nasty bridge. It is very rotten. Now look at this. Oh, I just heard a big crack. Things I do for YouTube. Okay. Yeah, so this is definitely a trail we haven't been on. Coop, let's go this way. We'll follow the brook. Okay. So yeah, Coop seems to have a lot of energy and stuff since I took him off those meds. So, gonna end this video, do another short.